By the end of this video, you will know how to edit a sent invoice in Wave. If you are already signed into Wave, begin by checking that the correct business is selected before you make any changes. This matters if you manage more than one business in the same account, since invoices are tied to the business currently in view. Once that looks right, go to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. From there, select Invoices to open the list of invoices for that business. You will now be looking at the area where sent, draft, and other invoice records are stored. Find the sent invoice you want to update, then click the invoice to open it. This takes you to the Invoice Details page, where you can review the current version before making any edits. If you are working with several similar invoices, take a moment to confirm you opened the right one before continuing. On the Invoice Details page, click Edit Invoice. That will open the invoice so you can update the information that needs to be changed. Depending on what you need to correct, you can revise customer details, the invoice date, the due date, line items, quantities, prices, taxes, or notes. Make the necessary edits directly in the fields shown on the invoice. As you update the invoice, look over each section carefully so the revised version reflects what you want the customer to see. If you changed one part of the invoice that affects another, such as items and totals or dates and payment timing, review those related details while you are still on the edit screen. When your updates are in place, review the invoice again and make sure all the information is correct. This is the point to catch anything you may have missed before saving the new version. Next, click Save and continue to save your changes. Wave will keep the updated version of the sent invoice and return you to the invoice view so you can confirm the result. After saving, review the updated invoice once more to verify that your changes were applied. Check the sections you edited and make sure the invoice now displays the revised details you intended to save. If the customer needs the new version, use the available Send option to send the updated invoice to them. This sends the revised invoice after you have confirmed that everything is correct, so the customer receives the current version rather than the previous one. Thanks for watching. Your sent invoice in Wave has now been updated and, if needed, sent again with the revised details.